What's going on, YouTube? This your boy Dion with Quality Custom Designs, and we are back with another video. And in today's video, we will be doing two things, which is one, we will be doing a embroidery design, and it's going to be a throwback theme, which would be Martin. If you guys know the 90s TV show Martin Lawrence, or Martin's TV show, everyone's favorite show, comedy show. So we will be doing that. Plus, right now, what I am going to get into is I am going to be rewinding my bobbin. So I will show that real quick. So without further ado, let's get into it. So right now what we are going to start with is, of course, the empty bobbin. And I'm going to go ahead and put it up here. I'll spin it because it clicks. I don't know if you just heard the click, but it locks in place, so it won't move now. I am going to use white. Go ahead and put the white in. And of course, everything is numbered. So go through number 1 up to number 2. Around, it's a metal piece right here. Try to get my hand over there around that. Hold it in place. And then you go to 4 and you wrap it around this part right here, around the bobbin. And I like to make sure that it's secured and on there tight, so I wrap it maybe 2 or 3 times just to make sure it's on there. Oops, can't drop that. Sorry about that. Make sure it's on there tight, and then I go ahead and click it and clip it at the end. So you'll see that little piece of string, if you can see it, thread. So from there, if you can see this button right here is orange, that's letting the machine know that it's in the bobbin mode where you could thread the bobbin. So all you do is go ahead and press it and starts it up. So it's pretty simple. I just wanted to show it. I haven't showed it on any other of my videos, so just wanted to put that out there. So and it also tells you right here, winding bobbin thread, which I think I just stopped. So let me start it back up. Sorry about that. Alrighty, and from here we're just going to jump right into the video, so stay tuned, guys, and enjoy the video. Okay, so we're back over here, and right now we are going to get into the embroidery design. I just threaded everything, so the top thread is threaded. One thing I will do is just go ahead and scan the area to make sure everything is fitting inside of this small fabric. Just found a piece of fabric and cut it out, so just gonna scan it real quick, auto scan, just to see if everything fit. It should fit though. Oh yeah, perfect. So that fits perfect. So we're gonna go ahead and start. First color will be white, so we're gonna go ahead and start with that. Go ahead and put the lever foot down and get it started. So something just went wrong. The thread just popped. Check the upper thread. Check and rethread the upper thread is what the message that I just got. So I know sometimes I cut these errors out of the video, but I am going to show it today. Just a quick glance of what's going on. So let me go ahead and see what's going on with that, and I'll be right back. So we are back. I don't know what initially happened. Just once it went to the next design, it just popped. So I literally just customized this and digitized the design. Didn't put too much detail in it, so we'll figure out or find out how that turns out. But once again, guys, stay tuned. And if you are still here watching, please, if you can, go ahead and hit those notifications, subscribe to the channel, and hit those thumbs up. It'll be greatly appreciated. Stay tuned, y'all. Alright guys, while we are here watching this video, I just want to throw something out there. Just guys, quick in the comments, let me know what is your favorite episode on Martin. If you can put all the details, go ahead and put it all down there, but just let me know what's your favorite episode, what's your favorite season, what's your favorite scene, who is your favorite character in Martin. Of course, Martin is the main character, but who do you like? Cole, Tommy, Pam, Gina, bruh, man, anybody you can think of, go ahead and put them in the comments below. I just would like to know you guys' opinions and, you know, what you guys think about the show. So please go ahead and drop those in the comments below. Just a quick tip right now, just want to let you guys know what type of stitch I'm doing right now. Is doing a satin stitch, which you can see is back and forth, almost like when you're doing a jump stitch, but it's a satin stitch. It's much cleaner than a field stitch. There's so many different types of stitches. Field stitch, satin stitch, run stitch. You have different types of stitches, but this is a satin stitch. Like I said, it's much cleaner than the field stitch because the field stitch fills up all of the areas that are supposed to be digitized. So with the satin, it's once again it's much cleaner, and it jumps from point to point instead of puncturing the whole area, as you can see. So this is a satin stitch that I'm using. This is how I made the design for the satin stitch. I might do another one with a field stitch just to show you the difference on another video or something like that. So stay tuned for that. You know, just let me know how it's going so far. You know, put in the comments below if you want to, just how it's looking. Also, real quick, let me know in the comment section if you want more of these videos with TV shows. Give me a TV show. I can see if I can do it. Like I said, if it can be digitized, it definitely can be done. So, you know what I mean? Just let me know in the comment section. You know, your favorite 90s, 70s, whatever. Alrighty, so we are done with the white. It came out dope. Let me go ahead and zoom out a little bit. Came out dope. Love it already. Can't wait to get into the other colors and the other designs. So let me go ahead. Sorry about that. Let me go ahead and get to the other colors, which would be, the next one would be red. So let's go ahead with that. Alrighty guys, we are off to the last color, which is black. It is 17 minutes, so it is going to be kind of timely, but stick with me guys, let's get through it. Design is coming out clean. Let me know guys if you think this will look dope on a hat, small left chest on the shirt, on the nice jacket, on the back real big. Let me know in the comments below. Definitely do a video on it. Once again guys, if you are still sticking around and watching this great and wonderful video, go ahead and hit those notifications, subscribe to the channel, thumbs up the channel, and definitely stay tuned for more. Coming out clean guys, just a few more minutes left for this. You guys can't see it, but it's coming out with a crazy looking design right now. I didn't do it in the program, it's just how it's stitching out. It has a wavy look to it. I'm telling you guys, it looks sick. I might be able to get a close-up on it at the end of the video, but I didn't program it like this. It's just coming out like that. Maybe it's just a stitch, just the way the stitch is going, but it does look like a design in the middle of it. Like I said, I'll try to show you guys at the end of the video. Stay tuned, guys. Stay tuned. Just looking how it came out. I might do an undersew on those last sections. I don't know guys, let me know what you think. Just one more after this and we are finished. All done guys, let me know what you think. Let's get it. All right guys, show me some love on this one, man. Let me know what you think about it. Like I said, you can see it. I don't know if you guys can see it. It's like a wavy look. It looks crazy. It's dope. It's nice. It's not bad. Like I said, I didn't program it like that. Maybe it's just the way the stitches was going that made that like wavy look. Can zoom in a little bit more. You guys can see that. So yeah, let me know what you guys think though. Let me know how the video turned out. Let me know how the patch looks. Sorry about this being blurry. It's not, there we go. It's not, it wasn't trying to focus. But yeah, let me know. Definitely let me know in the comment section what you think about it. If you want more just like this, definitely let me know. Once again, it's your boy Dion with Quality Custom Designs. And always stay blessed and continue to strive for greatness. And I'm out.